Hello guys, welcome back to another English class. Today I'm going to explain you the report to speech. We use the report to speech to report what another person has said, but not using the speaker's exact words. The structure is a little different depending on whether we want to transfer a statement. For example, we have Mark said that he wanted to live in London. Anna said that she had gone to cinema, and they said that they would travel to Europe. In this lesson, we're going to check how do we use report to speech. Now, please note that verb tenses, pronouns, and some time and place words may change because the time and place of the speaker may be different. When we report a statement, we use report verbs such as say or tell, followed by the word that. For example, you say, Lucy told me that she was happy and the teacher said that we had to study. In this case, we are repeating what other person told us in this case, and we have to transform, or we have to change the tense in the correct place. For example, in this case, she was, it's past simple, and we had to study past simple too. Now, it means that both sentences were in the original tense in present simple. Now, we're going to check the tenses. The verb tense change. For example, we have direct speech, and if you have one of these tenses, you have to follow the report to speech structure. For example, if you have a present simple sentence, you have to change it in past simple sentence. Past simple sentence into past perfect. Present continuous into past continuous. Past continuous into past perfect continuous. And present perfect to past perfect. For example, you have the sentence, I prefer my own friends, said Paul. The sentence prefer, it's present simple. So, if we want to repeat what this person said, we have to write, Paul said that he preferred his own friends. Present simple to past simple. Another verb tense. We have, for example, past perfect into past perfect, will into would, and the modal verbs don't change except must. For example, we have in this case, they will go to the concert. John said that. Now, if we want to repeat what John said, we have to say, John said that they would go to the concert. Now, we have the sentence, I should go to the doctor, said Mary. Mary said that. So, we have to repeat it. Mary said that she should go to the doctor. As you can see, we have will, and it changes into would, and the modal verb should, it doesn't change. It has to be the same, should and should. Now, we have some place words, like here or this place. If you have one of these words in your sentences, you have to change it into, for example, here with there, or this place, that place. For example, we have, here is your coat, said Mary. Mary said that there was my coat. In this case, we have to change here into there, and is present simple to past simple. Now, some time expressions. For example, we have now, today, tonight, yesterday, last month, next week, tomorrow. If you have one of these time expressions in your direct speech, you have to change them into now to then, today, that day, tonight, that night, yesterday, the day before, last month, the month before, next week, the following week, and tomorrow, the next day, or the following day. For example, I wrote, yesterday we went to the beach. they said. So if we want to repeat it, they said that the day before they had gone to the beach. In this case, we changed yesterday into the day before and went into simple past to past perfect, had gone. Now we have some exercises about it. We have in this case 7 sentences. Now what are you gonna do? We have to try to report them or try to repeat the sentences, but you have to be careful about what is the correct tense. For example, we have Rick said, I'm hungry. Now, if we want to change or if we want to repeat what Rick has said, we have to say Rick said that he was hungry. Present simple, past simple. I am hungry. He was hungry. Gabriela said, I was tired yesterday. Gabriela said that she had been tired the day before. We have to change past simple was into past perfect had been, and yesterday into the day before. Now, number 3. Rebecca said, I'm living in Los Angeles now. Rebecca said that she was living in Los Angeles then. We have present continuous into past continuous and now into then. Now number 4, we have Fred. Fred said, I haven't done any sport. We have to report it. Fred said that he hadn't done any sports. Haven't done, it's present perfect in negative. So we have to change into past perfect in negative. He hadn't done any sport. Now we have 5. Cindy said, I will study an engineering next year. Cindy said that she would study an engineering the following year. We change will into would and next year into the following year. Now, Henry said, I was working in a big company. It's past continuous, so we have to change it. Henry said that he had been working in a big company. Past continuous to past perfect continuous, had been working. And number 7, Frida said, I should do more exercise. Now, Frida said that she should do more exercise. We have to write the same modal verb, should and should, because in modal verbs, most of them are the same. They don't change. Okay? And that's all about the explanation. What is the problem? What is the difficult part on this topic? You have to remember and you have to practice the tenses. If you don't know which is the correct tense that you have to change, you will have a lot of problems. You have to practice the previous topics that you have learned. Present simple, past simple, present continuous, will, etc, etc. And to finish this part, we have exercises. Exercises on your notebook. We have in this case 7 sentences. Now, what are you gonna do? The same. You have to report them into report to speech. So you have to be careful about what is the correct tense. For example, we have present simple, past simple, present continuous, past continuous, would in this case, past simple, and will. And you have to change them in the correct tense. And that's all about the explanation of the report to speech. Thank you.